November 2022 updates. New gears. Biggest changes. Added new gear options to the gear part. Rocket launcher, Superball, bomb, Paintball Gun, flashlight. Added gear properties. Sword, damage modifier, Hyperlaser Gun, color, damage modifier, shoot through walls option, rocket launcher, damage modifier, Superball, damage modifier, bomb, damage modifier, Paintball Gun, damage modifier, flashlight, color, brightness modifier. Smaller changes. Sword now has more classic behavior with your character floating slightly when lunging. Adjusted pathfinding of green dots when first joining a server. Improved behavior section of the properties frame so that extra options like the ones when editing an advanced tools part. Gear part or global properties part will now appear together and in the correct position. Improved Xbox GUI navigation. Adjusted fly tool so it snaps quicker into position. Bug fixes. Fix bug where you couldn't teleport obbies while flying. Fix bug where using the position. Rotation or size options in properties wouldn't work properly with spin parts or moving parts. Fix bug where gears could still damage you, even when editing with invincible mode enabled. Fix bug where you could touch a gear art while outside an obby to get a gear in the lobby.